Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your last love bite of the month. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Cancer. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. Alright Cancer, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Cancer, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright, Ace of Cups with the Six of Swords in reverse, with the Four of Cups, Strength card, the Empress in reverse. Why are you upset, Empress? With the Two of Cups now in reverse, the Moon in reverse, Nine of Wands in reverse, and then the Six of Pentacles upright. Wow, what an interesting reading. Bottom of my deck, I have the King of Wands in reverse. Alright, Cancer, there seems to be somebody who's unable to take action right now. Maybe things have gone a totally different direction. Somebody is very depressed and sad. They've kind of, well, the love is overflowing. That's all I can say, at least from one person's side, who I think this is the King of Wands, who's maybe was a bit selfish and self-centered in the past, but now they've realized, oh my God, what have I done? I've upset my Empress. And the Empress here thinks, well, all this love, all this is all bullshit. It's in the reverse now. Empress says, I know the truth. Don't tell me they love me. I know they don't love me. I'm not even fighting for this connection anymore. But the point here is there is a Six of Pentacles, which is a card of partnership, equal give and take, and it's in the upright. So it'll be interesting to clarify these cards and see where we are going. I'm going to start, Cancer, with some dialogue message cards as always. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll do the clarification, okay? So Cancer and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Cancer and their person, okay. Let's take a few more from here, Cancer. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, Cancer, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Cancer and their person. Alright, a couple more from here. Cancer and their person. Okay, good to go, Cancer. Let's start our reading. The first card here says, I'm haunted by your presence. I see you in my dreams. I hear you telepathically. Every song I hear reminds me of you. I see your name everywhere and numbers that have special meaning to us. Everything reminds me of you, and all I want is you. If this is happening to you, why do you stay at a distance? There's no escape for me. When I try and move on, I'm haunted even more. You changed. You were keeping secrets from me. 1 minute we were talking like best friends, and then you distanced yourself from me. Every time it happened again, we grew further and further apart. I miss the old us. The endless depth of love I have for you is a blessing. Sometimes this love feels more like a curse, because I'm so focused on you, but I don't see anything from you in return. Aren't you tired of overthinking and being so hard on yourself? You can deliver yourself out of this pain, fear, and frustration, and you'll see what I've seen in you all along. Loving you is the most natural yet scary thing I've ever done. Yes, this much love? Well, just scare away some people. Life is too short to keep your feelings to yourself. I cannot stay silent any longer with these words hidden inside my heart and soul because they want to burst out of my chest and my mouth. I love you. I'm silent due to going through the dark night of the soul. I feel like an emotional roller coaster and don't have the strength to communicate with you right now. I didn't have the courage to tell you. I want to restore your faith in me. Let's get away together and disconnect from the world. Alright, Cancer, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start with our angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you, and then we begin the reading. So my angels, what do you have for this reading for Cancer? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message? Look deeper. Well, whoever's watching this reading, you may not have all the facts. Somebody could be just walking away thinking that partner doesn't love them, or is this, that, and the other. You don't know what the other person is going through. Maybe somebody else is going through the dark night of the soul. Right? So look deeper. Don't judge this through. Oh my God, my phone is ringing. Just give me 1 second. I'll just switch it off. I am so sorry, Cancer. Okay, so yes, you don't know what the other person's going through, right? So don't judge this, whatever's going on in your life, from the surface. You have your own perspective, you don't know what the other person is going through. So look deeper. Like this angel is sitting, looking at a lake which is looking so calm and so placid, right? But under the water, there's so much activity happening which you don't know about. There's fish, there's sea life, there is all kinds of vegetation. There's lots happening under the water, but on the surface, it looks like glass, so peaceful and calm. So if there's quiet between the two of you, don't judge it. Don't judge the other person or the circumstances. I'm repeating myself. I'll shut up now, and I'm going to start with your reading, Cancer. What's this Ace of Cups, Spirit, for Cancer? What's this Ace of Cups? Oh. Ace of Cups. All right, so there was love here, but I think one person always came from a little selfish, self-centered kind of a place where they behaved maybe like a player. They would come in, they would enjoy themselves and leave and ghost their partner and not treat them properly, and that kind of disappointed their partner. Like, what rubbish is this, you know? I mean, I love you, and if you love me, then why do you behave like a playboy? I mean, I'm an empress, for God's sake. I'm not one of your willy-nillys that you have a fling with and leave and come back whenever you want. So that kind of disappointed the other person, that I know there is love here. I mean, I have this overflow of love for my person. Why do they behave in such a selfish manner? And that's the reason I think things started going the opposite direction, right? And that led to a lot of depression as well. 2 cards of depression. So who's going through this depression, Spirit? 4 of Cups. 4 of Cups in reverse. Okay, the person who wants to have the brand new beginning. Now that things have started kind of falling apart, I think this is this King of Wands now, who is now going through the dark night of the soul. I mean, 2 cards clarifying them one by one, right? And now they've kind of made their choice. If they had options earlier, or they were treating that Empress like, I have lots of options, they don't. They don't want any option. They want this 1 cup only. All these other 4 cups, all their other options, they're not interested. They're really not interested. All they really are wishing and hoping for is, hey, can we start again? Can we heal this situation? Can we have this balance once again? But they don't have the strength to communicate, it seems. Strength card in reverse. Why is the Strength card in reverse, Spirit? Because this Empress has kind of picked themselves up. I think this Empress is A, not giving them any time or attention. B, is really glowed up now, is looking very attractive, maybe doing their own thing. They are attracting a lot of attention, doing their, whatever they're doing for themselves. They're doing a great job, and they look very successful doing it. And the more I think this Empress is not caring, the more strength the other person is losing. Yeah, they feel that whatever little trickery they did in the past, or whatever that really kind of made them lose a beautiful partnership. Now, even if they want, they are being, I think, unable to manifest this Empress back, because somewhere they feel I won't be given a second chance. This Empress also has a very bad impression now of this masculine, to say that, hey, they were very ungrounded, they were not being that person who was taking charge and taking control of our relationship and, going forward with me. In fact, they were very materialistic, very greedy, very, surface level basically, and behaved like quite a fool. And the other person is actually feeling also very foolish for having lost an Empress here. So Empress, why are you in reverse? Let's talk to the Empress now. Empress, why are you in reverse? Empress says, well, this is the way they behaved. I retreated from the connection. I took some time out. I thought about it. I healed myself. I made my own decision after that. And what decision was that, Empress? What decision was that? That there is no victory to be had in such a person. This person always embarrasses me, doesn't make me feel good about myself. So I put my boundaries up. I push them away. I put my guard up. So now the Two of Cups is in reverse, Cancer. Two of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Yes, again, same card. King of Wands, overall energy, and King of Wands, overall, clarifying the Two of Cups in reverse. So yes, this Empress doesn't have a very good impression. Maybe they still think that this person is very self-centered, selfish, arrogant, attention-seeking person, and this can't be my twin flame. This can't be my soulmate. This is like a false connection. So why do you feel this way, Empress? The Moon in reverse. Did you get to know about something? What's this Moon in reverse? What was the secret that was revealed? Something that broke this Empress's heart. Something came out in the open which probably broke this Empress's heart big time. And then I think this Empress decided to stop fighting for this connection. Nine of Wands in reverse. Yes, this is a choice that was made. Oops, this was a choice made by the Empress, that I do not want to fight for this connection anymore. So then what is this Six of Pentacles then, Spirit? What's the Six of Pentacles? Six of Pentacles. Well, there is some big change coming, that much I can say. Some big change coming. Somebody is making a choice or a decision. They don't want to be single. They don't want their person to be single. Maybe there's been a lot of delay as well, but somebody wants to come out of this self-imposed prison that they've put themselves in. There is a strong obsession to get out of a very stuck place, but also very afraid to come forward and apologize, because they feel this Empress is very upset and angry with them after whatever conflict that's happened. Somebody is very scared. The decision has been made, Cancer, if you're still interested, feminine. If you're the Empress, if you're still... when I say feminine, masculine, I don't mean the man and the woman. You know tarot, right? A man can be in his feminine energy, and a woman can be in her masculine energy. But the point is that somebody is very afraid. They're very, very afraid, even though they have made the choice. They are waiting for some change or some divine timing to take place. So there's a bit of delay, even though they are not juggling. There's no going back and forth. The scare is that they've created a huge rift in this soulmate connection, and they fear that this person is very upset with them. Queen of Pentacles is in reverse and may not even accept an apology. So then what? Are you going to just sit here, King of Wands? King of Wands as our overall energy? Oh yes, they're wishing and hoping for a renewal, a rebirth, or some good luck to happen, so that this connection can get revived on its own. They also don't want to fight anymore. They want to They want to put down whatever bad behavior they had. Maybe they were not clear in their communication, or if there were any third parties, or if they did misbehave, they want to come and speak their truth. They don't want to keep any more secrets. Okay, but the problem here is that the Empress has kind of given up on this person, and that doesn't make them very happy. They're feeling very left out, left behind, out in the cold, and yes, they feel they made a very foolish mistake. Yes, they do want to come out of this sadness and regret and guilt that they feel now. They do want to come out of it, except that they feel after whatever lies or secrets that have come out in the open, they may not be forgiven anymore. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.